Mentakasngi ki pulit ki magister rangka ki doktor grap Khlong ya kajing Khlong Biang ya kamet uba tropimos khong maulo ai posnem nasional penter bal are ro ik pos Mortem hakte ki jaka bartep ya kene kalong Hadien si Bnai tam bahwa klat batep hakte ki sinong ke baji hakanyo tri ya yong ajo punri la ban kedau bau ba nit no biwe khong sdap kum ukpa la ujo ijahar Hadien ba kunyo uba tropimos khong maulo la klat dak bakeno bahwa syatit syabom haurang ba sinong ke pente bat ki village defense party VDP hakanyo tri ya yong ajo punri ya ki jahal la ujo Hadien ba yo ya ka video ke basa priang haran san social media hal kani ke jingja USP ka iskasi hiru ba bibek sem la ong ba ya kamet jong la Khlong Biang mentakasngi ba ale ru ik postmortem hakate ki jaka ba tep ya long bagi pulit kidang tokit kini ka kambat ke jing sim jamin lepa ki khatwa ingut kapau bagi don hakate ki jaka ba kadon ke jingjia bar ke jing tokit kan swan benia hal kani ba ong ba examine ru ya ki video ba yo ring hakapo ba tet ba syo ya katkum ke jing SP la dalap ya kadau bagi khatwingut kidon kiti kam ke bayam sya ke jingyap uba trop himos khomolo la ban pan jingbit na kasri ban weng no ya ke jamin
To move move court for cancellation of the bail and thereafter cause arrest.
Initial assessment,
Sorry?
is it body decomposed or what is it?
Yes, it's been since 7th of April, so it is decomposed. But let us hope we will get some clues on the cause of death.
But from your preliminary investigation, do you feel like there was a foul play in it?
Investigation is still on to actually really ascertain whether the assault by VTP, yes, it is a fact that some assault had taken place due to an altercation and issue which happened in that household where the VTP and the headman had to interfere. But we to ascertain whether the assault caused the death or whether it was self-inflicted or it was a natural cause. That will all be clear after the post-mortem report is out.
So has the video been sent for examination?
Yes, in fact, all angles to the case, right from the video, people who were there, we are trying to ascertain more witnesses into the case, and thereafter come to a conclusion and whether these people are guilty or not.
But the police have been able to identify all those who were there in the video, or?
No, the process is on. And 11 people have taken anticipatory bail. That means their involvement is surely there. Other witnesses who were bystanders or who were present on the spot, we are trying to ascertain that because they become independent witnesses to the case.